Here she is right here. Look at her. Look at her, guys. Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
How was school today?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that tremendous one.
Yeah.
You ready for the holiday?
No.
Yeah?
I wanted to keep going to school.
Stop going to school?
Yeah. It just started and now it just ended.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Sorry, my dear. Sorry, my bad. Sorry, my bad.
Thank you, bro. So guys, we got the pizza and we are going back home.
Fresh.
Yeah, nice. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV. We are back at it again. Yeah. So guys, thanks for tuning in one more time to the channel. So guys, Max is on holiday and today is the last day for Alex. So I'm going to pick her up right now and then we're gonna see if we can grab a slice of pizza for them. Yeah, guy I like his pizza. Say hi to the viewers.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, so as I said guys, Max is on holiday and Alex has her last day today. So their summer break has begun. So I'm gonna run to pick her up right now and then we have this pizza joint down in the city that have some nice pizza down there. So we're gonna grab a slice of plain and then see if we can head home guys, because it is seriously hot. Look at that guys, it is 96 degrees. Yeah guys, so today Max went to therapy and the wife said that he had a tremendous day. Sometimes we rotate who take him. Sometimes my wife do it, sometimes I do it. Sometimes when I come in the morning off the night job, she will say she will take him, or sometimes I just take him myself, and then when I reach at the therapy I just chill out in the vehicle and take maybe a 5 or 10 minute power nap. It's not like that every time, so whenever he has a good time, you give God thanks. Well, you give God thanks for every time, every moment, but whenever he has a good moment, you know, you be grateful, because sometimes he doesn't really up to the vibes. So yeah, so he made some steps today guys. My wife told me that he did extremely well today. He like lift up his legs and was moving them, which is amazing. So I'm pulling up at Alex school right now. Yeah, here she is. Here she is right here. Look at her. Look at her guys. Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
How was school today?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that tremendous one.
Yeah.
You ready for the holiday?
No.
Yeah?
I wanted to keep going to school.
Want to keep going to school?
Yeah. It just started and now it just ended. That's what it feels like. Oh, let me show you my report.
You
Ow.
got your report card?
Yep.
Wow.
I got A pluses, A's, A minuses, and some B pluses.
Okay. You're still on the honor roll though, right?
Yeah. And look, in science, I got all A pluses.
You got all A pluses in science? Wow, that's amazing. All right, take your seat, buckle up. We're gonna get.
And I rubbed my knee in class today on the thing, and I rubbed it.
Yeah.
I rubbed against it, and it hurts.
Okay. So Maxie said that he wants pizza, so we're gonna go to the.
And that's my teacher right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, that's nice. So buckle up. We're gonna go down in the city. Go get a slice of, go get some pizza. Alright?
Okay.
Oh, so you did extremely well in this term. That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you clean out your cubby and everything? Okay, amazing. You had any class party or anything?
No. We had popsicles stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's 3 teachers, 2 kindergarten and 1 first grade teachers, and they're retiring.
They're retiring?
Yeah.
Okay. So yes guys, so she had another wonderful marking period at school, which is amazing. She's still on the honor roll. Amazing. So today is her last day. You know, they will be going to, is it summer camp or summer school?
Both.
Both?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they won't be home for long. And Max still will be having his therapy, out of school therapy sessions. And yeah. So guys, we are down in Atlantic City right now. So we're gonna go pick up that pizza and see if we can get out, because the concrete jungle is hot. Concrete jungle is hot, guys. Big up yourself, Oliver Lifestyle. Yeah, Mackie. Vibes 39 TV. Vibes, the house is coming on. Wonderful, my brother. Keep on doing the amazing thing, bro. It look good. Positivity is a must. See it. So guys, we reached the pizza location. Yeah. So we're gonna see if we can get some. This is Atlantic City, guys. Atlantic City. Yeah. Well, this is just part of Atlantic City anyway. Yeah. So we have what, $7. I think this can give us 2 slices. Yeah. I'm good? Alright, respect. Respect, alright, thank you, thank you. So guys, they have nice pizza down here, and they also have nice cheesesteak. Yeah, sometimes the mass-produced pizza don't taste as good as, you know, the mom and pop store. Yeah, so sometimes I just come down here and get a nice fresh slice of pepperoni or cheese pizza, and they make good cheesesteak. They make it fresh while you wait. Yeah. So sometimes I will just take the drive out and just come down here and just, me and the kids them, and we come pick it up. Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Kids them in the truck. Alex is in there playing music. Yeah.
Wonderful. Oh, sorry, my dear. Sorry, my bad. Sorry, my bad.
Thank you, bro.
Oh, this is my
So guys, we got the pizza and we are going back home. Ah, fresh. Yeah, nice. Let's see what these guys are doing in the truck, guys. Let's see what these guys are doing. What you guys in here doing?
Nothing.
You sure?
Yeah. Wait.
All the pizza for me. You alright? Papa, you good? Alright, let's go home. Alright, what's up?
Again, I'm already hot.
Who's calling? Answer, Papa, answer.
Wait, hi, Mommy.
Mommy calling?
Yeah, he called Mommy.
What? Let me see what's going on, Pops. Hold on, let me fix it. Hold on. Yeah, here it is. What's up? Let me come, pick up Alex and come buy pizza for them.
Oh, Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy. Mommy.
What's up, guys?
I got on my report card. I got A pluses, A minus, A's, and B pluses.
Good job, girl.
Thank you.
I was just about to download it because I got it too.
Okay.
It came in the email. Good job, Allie. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Good job, honey. You worked really hard. Good job. Yeah, very proud of you.
Thank you.
No, your phone is all A's. You're not reading it right. Your phone, it's all A's, man.
It's all A's?
Oh, darling.
What? What, Alex?
Wow.
What? Give me the Skittles. Throw it out in my hand, Alex. Throw out the Skittles. Hurry up. They're gonna make me get the light. Give me the Skittles. Oh, wow. I say it take long to get some Skittles?
Yeah.
Wow. Skittles, guys.
Yeah, you can pop it in your mouth.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, thanks for joining us on our little drive out to pick up Alex and grab pizza. We are heading home now, so until I see you guys on the next video, you have yourself a blessed and tremendous one. Blessing and prosperity to you guys and your entire family. Alright, stay tuned. See you again in the next video. Bye bye. I'm out.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye, Papa.
Hi.
Take care, guys. Peace out, man. Yeah.
Bye-bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, press that notification bell so you won't miss an epic video. Yeah.
While I eat my Skittles.
Bro.
Have a blessed one, guys. Stay blessed, stay safe.
Yeah.
We are out.